It's many people ask about pets these days and who is responsible if your dog bites somebody else? Well, that is a claim that typically goes against the person's homeowner's insurance. So even if they're at your house and that dog bites you, because that dog is owned by somebody else, that would be the responsibility of the owner of that dog. Now, if you're watching that dog and that dog bites somebody else, now that's a different story. And that's for the claim adjusters to figure out who's responsible for the payment if somebody gets bit by an animal.